Hello everybody, this is Charles the intern for therocketnerd.com, back again to help you get your site up and running and looking the exact way you want it. As always, I said I was going to say it every video and I will. Please watch in full screen at 1080p and please use either Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome so that it can look the exact same as my videos and you can follow along easily. So, to start off, we're going to go to our website and today we're going to actually be looking at widgets. So youtube.therocketnerd.com. I forgot to go right to the login thing. Been trying. I always do it this way though, so there we go. Alright, so let's just log in here. There we go. Alright, so this will bring up your dashboard. So, like I said, we're going to be messing with the widgets today. So I'm just going to open up a new tab and go back to my website. So we got youtube.therocketnerd.com. This way I can just switch between tabs when I want to show you. So what widgets are essentially just little extra things that you can throw on the pages. So a good example would be right up here. This is the header widget. So as you can see, it contains the logo. On this side here, this is the sidebar widget. It contains the map of where you can find us. Down here's the footer widgets. As you can see, I only have one right now, but it has my contact information. So where they're located on the back end is you go on the left side, under Appearance, mouse over, and then go down to Widgets. It's the third one from the top. And that'll open the Widgets page. So this might look a little overwhelming at first. There's a lot of stuff going on in here, but it's pretty simple. So no need to worry about anything. These are all the different kinds of widgets you can do. So if you want to go in, read more about them, that's great. I'd highly recommend that. Please go to the WordPress Codex, read more. But I'm not going to go over every single one. There's a lot of stuff here. It's just not that practical. I'll go over a few very important ones, I guess. The text one is a good one. It's just straight up text. We use that all over the place. So you'll see that in my coming examples where I show you how to edit them. The search one, also a good one. You can search on the side of the site, just search for whatever you'd like. This will be my first example, actually. To add a widget, you just click, drag, and put it wherever you'd like. Now this says header right. I don't really want the search up in the header. So I'm going to open primary sidebar here by just clicking on the part right here. You don't even have to click on the arrow, just anywhere on the tile. And as you can see, there's the text locate us. If I click this, open it, you can see that there's a bunch of HTML code here. All that is the Google map that generates. So that's right here. What I'm going to do is just add a little search bar right up there. I'm going to title it search. Not very creative, but that's all right. And I'm going to click save. As you can see, it's span, everything like that. And when I refresh the page, there it is, search, and I can search this website. It's that simple. If I go back here, I'm going to close both of these and close this. Now you can see that there's a footer 1, which has my contact information, but there's also a footer 2 and a footer 3. As you can see, footer 2 and footer 3 are empty right now. So let's add something there. Let's do about me. I am Charles the, capitalize my own name, Charles the intern. I really love my job. Not my John. I do not love my John. I love my job. Alright, I'm just going to click save there. Go back here. I'll refresh the page. As you can see, that widget is right down here. Pretty cool. These will appear on every single page. So as you can see, these are just kind of things that you'd want to get off all the time. You know what I mean? Like, display to your customers, I guess. Common ones are like your phone number, things like that. But you can pretty much do whatever you want. Type whatever you want. Do anything. If you go through the Rocket Nerd installer, there's actually the possibility of all three of these being filled up with your social information, so your Facebook and your Twitter, and also just a random one. I just only chose to do the contact information when I went through and created it. So you may have more than me, you may have less than me. It just depends. But that's pretty much all there is to the widgets. I wouldn't recommend editing the top one up here if you don't want your logo to disappear. But again, sky's the limit. You can do whatever you want on your WordPress site. It is your site. Thanks for watching, guys. It was really good. I'm glad that you hopefully are learning a bunch about WordPress. Widgets are very cool. You can portray a lot of information in them and on every single page, which is always nice. I'd highly recommend putting like a phone number and email that people can reach you at, things like that for your business. In the next video, I'll just let you know, we're going to be going over how to create more users. So when you go to the /WP admin page, say you have a couple staff that you want to be working with too, but you wanted them each to have their own user so that you know who's making changes to what, and then if someone messes up, you can place the blame. That's what we're going to go over in the next video, so I look forward to seeing you then. Until then, have a good one.